If you've accidentally deleted an important file or folder from OneDrive, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted files and folders in OneDrive quickly and safely. This is a simple process, and the good news is that in many cases, you can bring your content back with just a few clicks. So whether you deleted something by mistake, removed the wrong folder, or just need to restore an older item, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once it's open, go to Microsoft OneDrive by typing onedrive.live.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the OneDrive web app where your cloud files are stored. Next, sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for OneDrive. Make sure it's the same account where the deleted file or folder originally existed, because if you sign into the wrong account, you may not see the item you're looking for. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar in OneDrive. You should see several options there, and one of them will be Recycle Bin. Click Recycle Bin to open it. This is where OneDrive keeps deleted files and folders for a period of time before they are permanently removed. Inside the recycle bin, take a moment to look through the list of deleted items. You can scroll through manually if needed, or use the search and sorting options if you have a lot of files. Find the file or folder you want to restore. Once you locate it, click to select it. If you want to restore multiple items, you can select more than one, as long as they are still available in the recycle bin. After selecting the item, look at the top of the page and click Restore. OneDrive will then return that file or folder to its original location automatically. This means it should go right back to the folder it was in before it was deleted, so you don't have to manually move it back yourself. Give OneDrive a moment to process the restore, especially if you're recovering a larger folder or multiple items. Once it finishes, go back to your files and confirm that everything has returned where you expected it. Now, if you cannot find the item in the recycle bin, there are a couple of things to check. First, make sure you're looking in the correct OneDrive account. Second, remember that deleted items are only kept in the recycle bin for a limited time. If a file has already been permanently deleted from the recycle bin, OneDrive may no longer be able to recover it through the normal restore process. In that case, the recovery options may be limited depending on your account type and retention settings. So the key takeaway is to always check the recycle bin as soon as possible after deleting something important. The sooner you act, the better your chances of getting the file or folder back. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover deleted files and folders in OneDrive. It only takes a few simple steps, but it can save you a lot of stress when something important disappears by accident. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.